Hello and welcome you all to my YouTube channel Diversify Investment, and I'm back with an informative video for you all. This session is going to be very important from an educational point of view because a continuous decline can be observed in the FMCG sector. And if you're already invested in companies within this sector, then it might be a concern for you. In this video, we will discuss three major points. First one would be what are the reasons behind this correction. Second point is this downfall cyclic or structural, and third point is what is the overall outlook of the FMCG sector in long term as per me. So we will start discussing with the long term growth potential of this entire sector. As we all know, FMCG sector have shown consistent long term growth. If we look at their chart, we can see a great momentum in FMCG sector. Index has outperformed very well. This is because FMCG is a consumption driven sector, and with increasing population of India, the consumption of FMCG product is also increasing steadily over past few years. As a result, the sector has outperformed and the index has delivered impressive performance. However, over time, this sector has presented numerous opportunities to the investors. There has been such instances where downward movements has observed. This is when the sector and the overall index were under pressure. The selling activities has increased, which presented great opportunities to the investors. During such times, dips in the index were evident, and these were the opportunities for the value investors in long term. Now let's discuss the reasons behind this correction and downfall in the FMCG sector. The major reason that comes to light is decline in sales of companies. If you study their previous quarter results and profit loss statements of most of the FMCG companies, you will clearly notice that there hasn't been a significant growth in their sales. Naturally, if companies' sales decline, it impacts their profitability and it also has a negative impact on their share price. Now, a decline in sales also indicates a drop in demand of their products. Now, if you look at demand growth, rural demand in the FMCG sector has grown by 6%. But on the other hand, urban demand has declined to around 2.8% for Q3 FY25. This is a major concern because 65% of FMCG sector sales come from the urban sector, while only 35% of sales is generated from the rural sector. The decline in urban demand has been significantly impacted by rising inflation over the past year. This has put the entire FMCG sector under pressure, which is why companies have not outperformed. But according to me, this is not a problem that cannot be resolved. I believe that this decline in demand, the drop in sales growth and related issues are a part of cyclic problem in this sector, which is likely to improve in the next 3 to 4 quarters, after which we can observe a trend reversal. This is because the FMCG sector has immense potential as their market size is also huge. The FMCG sector encompasses of various categories such as food and beverages, healthcare products, home care, personal care products. If we look at the market size, growth has been observed every year from 2016 to 2023. In 2020, the Indian FMCG market was valued at 110 billion US dollars, and it is projected to grow at a 27.9% CAGR, reaching 615.87 billion US dollars by 2027. So you can imagine how much growth potential still lies ahead. Even if you observe your surroundings, you can notice that people are much preferring packaged food. This is also one category in the FMCG sector that is expecting to witness immense growth in the coming years. Additionally, with the rise of e-commerce platforms, the urban and rural areas are now more connected, all thanks to the internet, which is another reason that why significant growth is expected in the FMCG sector. However, for now, the primary reasons behind this correction are decline in sales of the companies, slowdown in urban demand growth, and the third reason is low EBITDA growth. That is due to increase in raw material cost, which is the result of high inflation over the past year. Because of these factors, overall FMCG sector is under pressure, which has impacted margins and profitability of companies. On one hand, there is decrease in demand, and on the other hand, raw material costs have risen. Collectively, these two factors have put the entire FMCG sector and all the companies under this sector under pressure. However, there is no major structural issue in the entire industry. All these are cyclic problems that can be resolved over time. As we know, inflation is a cyclic problem. Decline in demand is also a cyclic issue. As inflation starts to decrease, demand will automatically increase over time, after which we can experience another boom in the FMCG sector and experience another big rally in these companies. As we have already discussed the growth potential of the entire FMCG sector, market size of FMCG sector is huge, and the expected growth clearly indicates that how much benefit investors can gain from this entire sector by becoming the part of this growth story. However, there are no buy or sell recommendations from my side. This entire discussion was done for knowledge sharing purpose only, so that everyone watching this video can get better understanding about the FMCG sector and their future growth potential. If you find this video informative, I request you to like and share the video as much as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Diversify Investment. We will meet again with another informative video very soon. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.